Hello, hello, hello.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome to our channel.
Doing a quick little video this evening because we don't do many videos nowadays. If I can, y'all, I'm gonna try my best. Cause I was going for 3 videos a week. Yeah. Now if I can get 2 a week, I'll be okay. I work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Baby, you ain't gotta tell people when you
2
work
jobs
and stuff.
and Sunday. During the day. So tonight we have coleslaw.
Work too.
We have coleslaw, red beans and rice, coleslaw, and we have some.
She look dry.
Coca-Cola Hennessy chicken.
Coca-Cola, that Hennessy.
I got.
But you gotta say grace.
Mayonnaise all up my hand.
You gotta say grace, huh? Go ahead and say grace.
Well, thank you for this food we are about to receive. May it be nourishing for our bodies.
Thank you, Lord.
I pray that those that are out here, that are having it hard, that are less fortunate,
yes, Lord,
that you keep them covered.
Keep them covered.
And surround them with positive things and positive people in their lives. In Jesus' name we pray.
In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. All right, y'all, I got the same thing, but mine's a little juicy. Her shit dry.
Now, here's just all over the plate, and it's just looking nasty.
It's going to look nasty, but it's going to go down the same.
Hey, I'm about out of salt, y'all.
Hey, got something to drink here. Got something to drink here.
Somebody be drinking my bottle. It's all greasy.
I got something to drink here. Look out.
I'm going to put a little bit on my beans. And that's it.
But what you got on there? What you put on there? All right.
I got me some water.
I got me some beer.
I got me some Coke.
But like nobody want to drink no Coke. It's too hot out there. You're supposed to drink beer and water. That's what hydrates you. Yep. Amen.
I got it.
Y'all call in and just
stuff everywhere. Now I made these red beans and rice, y'all. He likes sausages in them.
You ain't got no gravy in yours.
So I'm not really into the sausage, so I don't put the sausage on my eggs. Which is why I have chicken.
She loves sausage.
So,
maybe your stuff kind of dry. You gotta have a little that juice over there. You gotta get a little juice.
Put some hot sauce on him while you finna knock the fork down so food finna go flying.
Flying all over the place.
Yesterday, y'all.
That's enough. Stop that.
Yeah,
Stop that. You don't. Certain things you just don't bring up.
You just in there eating. Last thing I hear, boom, this food hit the floor.
Some things you just don't bring up in this conversation.
Food hit the floor.
Y'all should
have heard him.
It wasn't on video. My word against hers.
He was having
I'm
a
about to bring this down a little bit, y'all. I'm sorry, but you know how I
Y'all, he was having a fit.
Yeah, I was mad, y'all.
Yeah, that food was flying all over the place.
Mitch came out in that month. Mitch, I turned into Mitch. Yep. Ooh, this gonna be good. But you know how hungry I am.
How am I supposed to know?
I'm hungry. I'm telling you what, I'm starving. Shit, I ain't hungry no more. I'm starving.
He starved all week because I'm at work.
Look, ooh, that hot. Girl, that shit hot there. That's
what you get because you can't wait for it to cool off. And then we warm it up.
I gotta put a little more salt on.
Yeah, you like it hot where your food fall back out your mouth.
Yeah, I'm about to sweat over here with this thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot outside though, Todd. You know that?
I didn't know Dad, considering it's 92 degrees outside. I didn't know Dad.
Michael won't be back out there.
Yes, he will. I bet you go back outside.
Not today. When I get to eating, you best believe Michael going up in there and take a shower and get in that bed and watch TV the rest of the day.
Y'all know he's done disturbed.
No,
because he is not going to go in that bedroom and take no shower.
Today I am. This is the first time for everything. I can't be going out there and everything out there in that heat. Look how dark I am. I'm already black, baby.
So you going in the room and take a shower?
Most people think I ain't got no t-shirt. I got on a t-shirt. I got on the shirt. This time I'm just dark. Dark-skinned brother. You know
I taste the Hennessy in this chicken.
You don't know how liquor tastes. She don't even know how liquor. Look at her. She's just enjoying herself. You better not go on there. Keep on here. Get you another piece of chicken. Get you some more chicken in there. What is that?
Yeah, alcohol you try to taste it. But I taste the Hennessy.
That's good a little bit. I'm trying.
I taste it.
I'm trying to grab.
Okay, y'all.
But we gonna be
I got a lot of Hennessy in this chicken.
We gonna be some drunk ass people here. We gonna be some drunk asses, baby.
Huh?
We gonna be some drunk.
Y'all go get that recipe a try. I'm liking that Hennessy in the chicken. I should have put
Yeah, I taste that.
orange marmalade in it.
I taste that liquor. Ooh.
Y'all still got some sauce left over. I'm finna say that's all. You heard me?
Ooh.
What? What's with you?
Yeah, I taste that Hennessy, girl.
See, I don't like making new stuff for him because I don't know if he gonna like it or not.
I taste that Hennessy in the moment, you know?
I'm always doing something.
She always trying some stuff for him.
And then it always turn out good.
You right, bro. These beans off the chain. Oh, and mustache, that's all right there. Hennessy chicken. Y'all have to buy your own Hennessy. You ain't getting no Hennessy here.
And we'll supply the chicken.
And got one more bottle in here. I'm drinking that. Yeah, damn it, I'm drinking that. I bet that is good, though.
I need to take some of the Hennessy sauce and pour it on my red beans and rice.
And you know it gonna fall. Snap the fuck out. You gonna snap. I've been standing up here. I've been saying, hey Tasha, how you mean the right? I mean, sleep like a motherfucker. Don't do it, Tasha, don't do it.
Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, that's good, baby. You done made me more piece of chicken. Yeah, you know what this missing?
What?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper? I'm about to say it's the Hennessy, not the salt and pepper.
Yeah, but you didn't put no seasoning on them.
Yeah, I did. I didn't put a lot, but I mainly put the Hennessy on it. It marinated in Hennessy.
Yeah, but baby, you got to still season.
You the only one want all that salt and pepper on everything. He gave a piece of bread, with a whole bunch of salt.
But you have to have the seasoning on the chicken.
I did season it.
And stuff.
I'm quite sure the Hennessy overpowered the salt.
That Hennessy ain't overpowered shit. It just ain't putting on. I can't taste the seasoning.
Don't tell me what I did.
You call me a nigga,
you got
y'all. You know, said they ain't call me a nigga.
God, you know everything and don't know nothing.
I do. I be knowing stuff.
Wait a minute, be quiet.
That's a motorcycle. That's Todd.
Oh, yeah, I thought I was thunder.
That's Todd. She can call me a nigga. I be knowing things. So if you want the Hennessy chicken to go off with a blab, I'm not saying the husband want a blab because the husband's good or something, but she was missing that other. You gotta blend that season, baby. You gotta blend it.
You gotta learn how to do your own thing and stop looking for me to do it all.
Yeah, but you gotta blend it. I wasn't here.
Well, then you do it.
I wasn't here.
Why the hell you what next time you do it? I ain't gonna do nothing. Put some more hot sauce on it. Hot sauce ain't even hot.
Why, it's crystals.
That ain't hot.
I don't know no salt and pepper.
See, he go steady adding salt and pepper on everything. He'll eat a plain salad and put salt and pepper on his salad.
Hello. You gotta have.
Put me some hot sauce on here.
Salt and pepper with this stuff.
Oh man.
You don't have enough gravy on your bean. That look dry.
Okay.
It look dry. Anything, but anyway, I was over here. I was across the street today at my mom's house and stuff. Then I thought of a little meeting, trying to see what they were gonna do about the reunion and everything. That's just every time there's one bad apple in the whole bunch, just gotta cause a ruckus. Just gotta cause a ruckus and everything. No, because I'm not a member of that family. But my thing is, now they frying fish over there today. I ain't want to stay because I know my baby over here making some Hennessy chicken and some red beans and rice and coleslaw. I know I'm finna go and relax and shit and max out. But my other brother and his cousin, they gets into it because my cousin his cousin gonna tell him to shut up. That they don't do this over here. My brother was like, you mean, man? You don't tell me to shut up. I'm a grown-ass man. Which he is grown because he older than me. And stuff.
Why are you sweating?
I don't even much know, baby. It's hot. I think it's these beans in this Hennessy. It's just Hennessy, y'all.
Stop trying to tear my arms off.
That's a chicken strip. That ain't no damn thing. You got a chicken strip over here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bite into a bone. That's just beans and hot sauce.
No home training.
No, not now. I'm at home. I ain't need no training at the house. You know, y'all feel me on that. Y'all get it when you
No home training.
You get it when you get off from work. Ooh, I'm gonna eat.
You gonna be a what?
But I think you trying to put me to sleep before 8 o'clock.
I'm doing what?
About to give me this big ass plate.
Would you stop tearing my elbows up? Dang.
Well, you gotta get over something. Bam. Don't do it. It's a Bud Light thing.
Oh, okay. Now I got meat between my teeth.
Your teeth too far apart, baby.
I know.
You gotta push them in.
I got a whole chicken when you got teeth.
Well, you gotta push your teeth in, Tom.
I was trying to do it tomorrow.
You gotta reset. Take you by the dentist.
Okay.
Taking her by the dentist, let them push her mouth, her cheek, all it's gonna have to take. And then they push her jaw. If somebody get on one end, then somebody get on the other end and push her whole mouth together. And that'll straighten her teeth.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know?
Yeah, I know.
Very good.
Man.
Another napkin over there. Little good shit here. Wow, I'm sweating up, man.
I got it out, y'all.
You get it? Suck that motherfucker. What's that motherfucker? No. Shit, no. Oh, damn. I should have put a little purple onion up in there.
Yeah, too late. Eat food.
And coleslaw, that was really good too.
I ate all the scallions up, y'all. I made something, I don't know. But anyway, I ate them all.
Potato?
Yeah. I made a potato.
No, you said scallions.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't that potatoes?
Onions.
Oh. Yeah, I'll come back home. I think this is hot sauce making me hot.
That was it.
Boom, 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 boom.
No, I can make me some egg salad tomorrow.
Oh, that sounds good. I can make some egg salad now, you know that. You know I know how to make the egg salad, baby.
I ain't never had none you made.
You ain't know how to make egg salad, man?
No, I haven't.
What about that birthday party I told you that time? My mama and them was all over here.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, you do. Because I thought that Ralph them came over here. Remember Ralph them came over here that night?
I still don't remember no egg salad.
I was over there with eggs, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Same thing.
No, it ain't. You don't put, what you call that stuff? Relish in no deviled eggs. Maybe some people do, but I don't.
No, you put pimento, you put the egg.
I don't even put that in no deviled eggs.
You make it like potato salad and stuff. That's what you do. You make it like potato salad. But it ain't potato salad. Maybe you praying again?
Pray all the time.
Amen, amen. Baby, you hungry too, hungry.
Yeah.
You a little starving there.
What time did we eat?
We ate
breakfast.
That was in the morning. We
About
ate
10?
Yeah, about 10 o'clock. All right. We getting full today, though. We getting full. Ooh, I'm getting
You eat twice a week.
Who?
Mm-hmm.
Who ain't twice a week?
Hmm?
What day we gonna eat then? We gonna eat twice a week.
One of the days I'm off.
I'll be a hot dog.
You sure
hamburger
will.
patty.
Cause I don't get home.
Piece of bread, eating ass.
Till 9:30.
After tomorrow.
I do one job, come home for an hour, and go to another.
But you're not telling people when you going to work and going home and everything. The people don't want to hear that shit.
How you know? They told you.
Yeah,
Exactly.
they're phoning through. They're phoning me now and everything like that.
Mm-hmm.
Hello? No, man, she ain't got to be telling everybody when she got to go to work and stuff. I told her about that bullshit. No, player. She work every day, in the day, every day, all day. All right? Don't call him with that shit no more. Okay. All right. Baby, don't tell nobody else our viewers.
I think he had too much Hennessy and beer.
Our viewers calling us and everything, talking about what did she say she got to work? She don't even know all that. Don't know. I'm not around. I'm not your business. Ooh, I'm full.
With all that mumbling.
See, the thing about that mumbling, you gotta read between the mumbling.
Somebody else would comment, what was he saying? He was mumbling.
That's why they couldn't watch that, man.
I didn't even understand what you were saying.
So this is how you go. You don't know when you gotta go to work. Everybody know when you gotta go to work. You ain't gotta work. See? Now what I said, what did I say?
Nothing.
See, she don't even understand that. I said, you don't have to tell nobody when you gotta go to work and everything like that. And so you go to work when you go to work. That's what I said. But I put it in this layman term, so it's a code, and then normal people don't pick up on that and stuff. But you picked up, you should have picked up on it. Watch this again. What I say.
Can you eat 10 tacos?
Who? Hell no, man. I have corn.
How many tacos can you think you can
Probably
eat?
about 6.
Oh.
Every goddamn 10 tacos. Who eat 10 tacos?
Challenge out.
There you go.
This woman, her and her son ate, well, they had 20 tacos. She beat him because she ate more tacos than him.
And she, her ass
I don't know how many he ate. 5
that damn
tacos?
tunnel with all that stuff.
I don't remember how many tacos he ate.
I hate to see her poop.
So, I ain't trying to get nobody poop. You want to see her poop. I don't want to see nobody's booty.
She was all stopped up. Them tacos settling up in her and set up in her bowel, and she couldn't shit no more. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna put it out there and tell y'all what's going on. Baby, what's all that up in there?
Much as you talking, who knows?
And stuff. She can't do nothing. That corn up, got up in there, them taco shells sealed her shit up. No fuck. And y'all 10 tacos and shit. And then.
Yeah, just ask you a question.
What she got in the taco?
Well, I don't eat meat on my tacos. I just put beans. You know.
You don't like meat?
I just put refried beans on my tacos.
Refried beans, but you ain't getting no meat.
I just put refried beans on them.
Wait a minute, baby. If you don't get no meat and stuff, the hell you doing? You playing again?
Mm-hmm. You just asked me that.
Yeah, you keep on praying, you're sugar low.
Is yours low?
You ain't gonna keep on asking me question with a question now, you little hungry ass. You ate all your shit up. Look at y'all. That's the first time she ever finished eating before me. before me. That's the first time she ever finished eating before me.
Alright, wash my hand.
And see, when I'm finished, I'm ready to go. Now she finished before me. She still won't stand still. I'm right behind her though. I'm eating something. That was a funny meal right there. What's all that?
Oh, fan that.
Who that? She full. What did that keep popping up down? Who are y'all? Who is that, baby?
I don't know. I can't see him back here.
You can't go live on your phone?
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
Ooh, Lord.
We finished, y'all.
We through. We through, y'all. We out and about.
We ain't out and about, but we finished eating.
We ain't lying.
Okay.
We got the nourishment to our soul.
I got rice all over the table and chicken. I'm drinking me some more water. I didn't even drink none of my Coke.
And guess what we having tomorrow? And don't y'all be hating. Leftovers. Yeah, we having leftovers. Have them in a minute.
I know y'all done heard in other videos Michael say I don't throw nothing away. I don't care. We had it for 10 days. We eat it. No, I'm just kidding.
No.
We don't hold on to nothing that long.
Look, I ain't eating shit for 10 days.
Maybe 2 days. That's it. But that's it. That's it. 2 days.
I might not even give it 2. I might she'll give it 2, probably 3. Well, I ain't giving that to the day. Them red beans, I'm gonna get it tomorrow.
I was just gonna say you just told them we was having leftovers. How you gonna say you ain't
eating?
Yeah,
I'm gonna eat them red beans. Ooh, baby.
Y'all got dishes all over my kitchen. Now I got
see that? And it wasn't even my fault this time. She can't blame it on me. She did that.
I'm so full. I'm delayed.
I can't eat no more.
Hurry up. Eat your meat. You say eating beans and the meat wasn't free.
Back to that.
Eat them sausage.
Put it back in the pot.
I'm not throwing them sausage back in no pot. Your nasty self. I seen this woman doing a video, made me cringe. She was testing to see if her oil was hot for her chicken. Why she throw water? I'm like, no water and no oil, girl.
She don't got first degree burn.
She ain't get burnt, but you don't throw water
in no hot grease.
Oh my goodness. So I started to leave her a comment and let her know she can test it with a wooden spoon or a chopstick.
And she wanted to test her oil. All she had to do was throw a piece of meat that she was frying or whatever had in the oil. That way it wasn't fried and stuff. But right now, it's hot now, so I can use that. That's all I had to do.
Y'all, I'm nappy is as nappy does.
Y'all, she finna get up out this damn
my
thing.
hair. Okay, I'm about to go straighten my hair.
And I'm about to go lay down.
I'm full, so I'm finna put the
drink on the ground. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna go and drink the rest of this Hennessy instead of she didn't put on the chicken. Glad she look out.
The little bottle, I put the whole bottle on the in the sauce.
I'll taste that. I'm already in the buzz.
All right, y'all.
Little buzz.
Until next time.
Till next time, y'all tune into our channels this summer.
Love, peace, and haggles.
Peace be out. So.